Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's spooky season and it's the best time to show you how I created this witch's broom. First thing is you want to find a broom that has straw bristles and cut them all off. And more than likely you will have more bristles than what you know what to do with. And then I used a hot glue, but you can use pretty much whatever you want. Hot glue just works faster, and I start hot gluing all the bristles to my wooden dowel. And I will build this up to however full I want it, which is not going to be much in my case. With my bristles attached, I go ahead and grab some twine, and I will use several strands to wrap around the top portion of the bristles, and I will tie that as tight as I can on that. I will also hot glue that down as well. With the construction done, it's time for weathering. For the handle, I just go ahead and paint it a normal brown color, and then I will use a black wash over the entire broom. With the broom constructed and weathered, you can decorate it however you see fit. I made one that's not decorated, and then I made a little miniature baby one with purple and white polka dots for a friend of mine for her little daughter that's going as a witch this year. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.